Litoba boarding na discourse alimoba kuungana na bari na utiabwa egorongo gene yao ya uritani. St. Agnes tunareriaga na anto amarete kwa Anna beto konogo kadira bate irachine. Kirego tigera anebo kinyachukuru dha ilio nituto watu nambacha kubakamata na kubania ogoro. Intake kana ujukania bwa January 2023 kire kilasi kia pipi 1 mwaka kilasi kia mugwanjano bwetete na mbere.
My name is Melvin Kirim, a candidate in St. Agnes School Marega. I aspire to be a doctor and I welcome you all to my school.
Ikinye wegwatere kanya kureo rikana marije tu nija kuganira mubuko jwaku kumenya mantu nkuru kiturungia chukuru kano turungire dhimugo kurukira 0725977144 St. Agnes School Marega. My education, my life, my future.
All I do is win. I wake up, I win. I close my eyes and I win.
We got a emergency, girlfriend.
Keep up with me, come on, let's all keep winning till the world stops spinning. Independent women, come on, now let's get it. I'ma keep winning till the world stops.
Wow, you look great. Did you just come from the salon?
Darling Abuja, braids that stay salon fresh no matter what. I'm the photographer Black Milk. I have an exhibition in 8 weeks about how things get better with time. Darling Fluffy Kinky inspired me. I'm seeing how the twists blend with her hair over time. How she actually feels more confident. She's really more beautiful every week. That's definitely worth celebrating. Darling Fluffy Kinky, twists that get better every day, just like you. I'm the photographer Black Milk. I have an exhibition in 8 weeks about how things get better with time.
Let's go!
Darling Fluffy Kinky inspired me.
That looks amazing.
I'm seeing how the twists blend with her hair over time. How she actually feels more confident.
Perfect. There, yeah, that's perfect.
She's really more beautiful every week. That's definitely worth celebrating. Darling Fluffy Kinky, twists that get better every day, just like you.
We kuregana na kugurwa Kenya watumire itura ryawe ryagia utongeria bakuinyeria antu ukombo na we gutewa mwitu nene tibo wa itura riu na gucoka kairi kwa mwari uzu ni kugukagarura amantu. Riri ni tinda na rugono rwa mino ruria rukwambiria kuonanwa tariki 16 cia Disemba aria Alliance Francaise Nairobi kwambiria thaa 11 mwanka 3 cia ugoro gutonya ni 2,500 ake 1,000 kiri aritwa na 2,500 kiri VIP.
Kwarnula electricals noona into bya stima bya mithemba yonthe, low voltage, medium voltage, high voltage, extra high voltage. Bya mung'anaji wa stima jwa single phase kana 3 phase. Noona generator cia single phase kana 3 phase, motor cia single phase kana 3 phase, cables cia class kia igurota, East African cables, Coast cables, ASL cables na inge inyingi. No kuonekia pipes ta metro pipes, circular boxes, couplers na inge inyingi. Mataa ya kirasi kia igurota, LED, downlighters, full and half moon na inge inyingi. Control ngiasta, switch enjera imwe, switch enjera ijiri, intermediate switch na inge inyingi. No kuonekia pumps cia roji, machine cia gukama, fridge, batteries, machine cia kuhura nguo, mariko ja kuruga, dispenser na into binge bionthe bira bitumaira stima.
Aja nio kwalu electricals na hivyo kukaribishwa bwinde.
Tuko na vitu original za bei nafuu kwa kila customer.
Karibu sana kaire muraithiria wa Meru TV ugoro bungi buthongi zaidi nyuma ya kwigwa tukimenyaga mara methiritwe makithi na mbere aga kaunti ya Meru na kinya nthiguru yonthe na watabura ndikire na kuga wirane kirigu muraithiria wa Meru TV na tutukui na mbere kwigwa twishokagira na emunde twina ndakai nyongoro kuma kaina mbere kuya tukeranagia nacio imwe kwa imwe batwire mantu mwanya muno nkuru tukaina mbere kwa tukeragire mantu makone na utongoria bwa Mbeumbithi na ara mashukuru na muno nkuruki mantu makonenie na utongoria kinyabwa gande kuruni nontu bera wa Mbeumbithi ibwa tongoria baro mbere kandi na mbere kwa nkeba wataogeni kiri mubango batwire beba o baumete rutereko kengo tuina mbere kwigwa tukiambanagire turi ama karibuni chamba kiri mubango karibuni sana karibu sana kama mbere na njara yako ya ino niyo ya ulio mbere na kwira murithiria gwigwo na maybe gumete rutereko tukiambire mubango
ibaga bona faminas kuchokiankatho nontu bakuwandia mwana we muthenya ndi di komali tombetawa Nicholas Kiambi wa Muchomba mwere wa ankena kuma ntere cha Tharaka pandetawa Malimanto wan Kanyaga.
Bwega, thank you. Rutero rungi chamba araniria na muraithiri wa Meru TV mwire wewo na gumete rutero kukinyago.
Thank you Famnas ni ombeta wa Salim Heliod wa Kathare mbomete na Marimanto Ward Tharakanithi Tharakanithi County Marimanto Ward ntoraita wa Kanyoro. Yeah.
Bwega sana, thank you. Ibo tuwatanite nabo aga ugorobo emunde tukaina mbere kwa tukeragia mantu kadumba na muno nkuruki murithire wa Meru TV ngikurikanagia mantu mamethire tumakithi na mbere aga kauntini ya Meru. Mantu mamethire tumakithi na mbere nati governor wa kauntini ya Meru ma MCA bonde 60 na banana bethire tumakithi na mbere kwa bakimurinkana bakiringa kura ya kumwebere gitini rwa rurithire twarukirwa ni mukanukia wa barabani ni kire bungeno to DMK Kiogora no ethagirwa ari MCA wa Narantere chia Bogeta West rutero rungi ngwetirwe banganitie na barira bagitwa na geria mbishino bora mantu mego maitinda na arakire mbako cia bunge kwandari kemwe mbere tutemberia rwa utubwe mundi.
The Governor of Meru County, the Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, for various wrongs she has committed, for the gross violation of the Constitution and various laws, gross misconduct and abuse of office. And now, what happens next after the Assembly has approved the impeachment motion? Within 2 days, that is by Friday, the Speaker of this Assembly will have communicated with the Speaker of the Senate. That is by Friday. He should have communicated according to the provisions of the County Governments Act, the provision on impeachment of governors. By Friday, the Speaker will have communicated with the Speaker of the Senate about the approval of the impeachment motion. Then within 7 days, the Speaker of the Senate has to convene a sitting of the Senate to hear the charges against the governor. You know, the Senate is on recess right now, but within 7 days from Friday, they have to be recalled so that they can start hearing the impeachment charges against the governor of Meru County. So upon hearing the impeachment charges, the Senate will choose either to use a committee of 11 members or a plenary of the whole House. Whichever way the Senate goes, they will have now 10 days to hear the governor, to hear the move of the motion. So I will personally be there. Then the governor or our representatives will be at the Senate during either the committee or the plenary hearings. After that, the Senate now is expected to vote on the resolution of either the whole House or the committee now. If the Senate resorts to adopting a committee, the committee will bring a report, the 11-member committee. This report may find the governor to have violated to be guilty of the charges that we have labeled against her, or not. So if the report finds the governor guilty, then now the Senate will vote. And all the members will have one vote. So the 67 members of the Senate, each will have a single vote, and we require a simple majority to have the motion approved by the Senate. And the Senate too can amend a report of the committee if the Senate so wants to amend it. So the magic number at the Senate is a simple majority of the voting senators, which is 34 members.
Ibu bandu methiritwe makariukire bunge ya kaunti ya Meru, murethere wa Meru TV muthenya we mundijo cia tindano igwa chikorwa mathaitha tunga utariria mantu kathumba na mangi mara methiritwe makina mbere kuigwa makionekana kana mara methiritwe mathite na mbere kuringa biongo bia ndeto kire bunge ino ya kaunti ya Meru. Gatuchokere na ndakaini iria twina mbere kwa tukiaragiria mantu mwanya mwanya makonenie na mautongoria machukuru na mononkuru bakianagia na vijana baraba ya muji kagitaniaka na mononkuru tukainambira kwa tukimurikaga mantu kathumba makoneni na utongoria. Lakini mbere ndingenda kumenya ntiko myaka ibuthinga tagira mantu mama kulina mbere muno Meru kaunti ya Tharaka-Nithi mantu mama kuruta governor Kawira Mwangaza Giteni buri mona tapego buthinga tagira politics no chia Meru tukembagira rutero
kimoni makwa bwana Faminas ntikona ile na haki yoyote ile uimpeach Kawira itivelale ina mapema nonto for one kule tokenda kuchubiria boega thina ti Kawira
thina no menya nikyo thina na mena ugu gitutethagiria Meru itwethe tukiuragia thina eno ri ikwe kuma thina eno imbi yoyo no winyo gitutethagia by the way
thina ti Kawira thina yena wabigo antu ba Meru mono leadership ya Meru nonto for one utubumba wimpeach governor Olendi ati serve even for la year bando aja tiro kilitoe ene mbanje ntituwa otiobugu impeaching governor na otile ne fund a waste ya county tuya kuia au bibo muri ambiyo akoro.
Lakini menyaga mantu mara msie bethe tubakiendekithia wene thiri twakithia against mo akithimu garumo.
Lakini for one Kawira na kuthia against MCA lakini mbiko will take time bamba bona emu yake menya nkedinga tela de aliza kwethine le banta mboni fans kuma
governor kuthongira gitini MCA na governor bethiretu bakithi opposite baba kithiu baba ngi bakati njamba gore onata mantu mama konena county ya Meru
nyo ngechubiria county ya Meru nkauga tio twita mbeu mbethe mbere tutiambite ukenera mantu mama kwendelea county ya Meru nonto itagucokia nyuma county yetu ya Meru imbondete mwana Tharaka Nithi nonti county imwe ci karibu muno na county nici ciaga into vingi in common ko impeaching governor ataye na inya budget yake ntiwetigi mantu mega nonto governor oyo tina ni cha kuta we
lakini governor tiye twena ngwatanio na MCA
lakini gona go tina ngwatanio na MCA baite kumpa time we MCA oyo gona akamba kuibanga MCA we ngonya tie bangite
kira MCA wetia governor ugire atiba nenkera na kwena mbeje chito wa World Fund tumete na county ya Mudhomo Njoki Mtebiuku I think last week wewe ntikubetia last week this week athi nambe kwa kire kageria kigena kia World Fund kire MCA wake ndo ngui katika me kigena kire kiarekerwa mirandi ya era MCA baeraga kariba na arora ikaomba kutheka lakini utikona gitare yo MCA watiuma
lakini inge choberia ngachoba Rose MCA inkona MCA bana bakukuruka meanka yao nonto baira ba thoma constitution ya Kenya ba ya gusavanto baugere boy bayete ko oversight patawa kuimbia bayito tengero ke uti MCA we de bantu no tengero mbiete na yete ambira kurutaga na chowera no na kianga bana we ngauge MCA we pakwa kambaro miembia chumba kwa iganaona pambe savanto lakini ndira ba gwitia mbia biti constitution iba ka impora pambarombe gavana mbia umwe gavana titu arombie kura watabao arombaga antawa betu no bota kutu widia yeah just na simple
ibwega mukere wa Meru TV ntikomenya buge bwaku iboreko kire ntu bobo ntikomenya buge bwaku iboreko kire rwalero rwaturo muthewe muthi no kuona bwagirite gavana Kawira Mwangaza atwathiria I think meri that
yeah
close to 3 months ne twathiria yake na no rwalero kuruta gavana gitini rukoina mbere kwegwa rugitwikaga rugukurukwa ni bunge eno ya county ya Meru uge bwaku buri kukurukira 0720888844 ni namba yetu ya thimu tukaina mbere kwa tukiriragiria SMS ino wogututhiete na mbere na rwalero wetu ethina mbere ukana ati na muno nkuruki we mbeumbethe kana kijana wothiete na mbere kwa gitura ithaka gitaniaka na we kinya ukana nati tukamenya maybe mathina mamethiretu makina mbere kwa makiwata mbeumbethe kagita kara bari nara mashukuru gatuthungire kirirwaria rwetu ndikume kwina gite kwina itebia wa bikiromba wa ni comrades maybe bia kurugamira county ward itibi bitelagiria comrade nambi mbere ma no twere ni itebire ko bino nto ndona ari atwariku tukiromba kura to aromba wakura tukerwa to menkanire kwina ward representative county na no udhiro gitu taragiri watu itebibire ko na muno bitelagiria comrades nambio tombire na wenchamba
kirite no komea bona faminas itebia comrades ni temwanya